In this quick guide, you'll learn how to generate document templates in Clio for law firms. Whether you're looking to streamline your legal documentation process or simply want to save time, this tutorial will make it easy for you to set up dynamic templates that can pull in client or case information automatically. Let's dive right in. To begin, open Microsoft Word on your computer. You can start with a blank document or an existing form, whichever suits your needs best. This will serve as the foundation for your template. Start drafting the text of your document, ensuring it includes all the necessary sections and information you want in your final template. The key to making this document dynamic is the use of Clio merge tags. These tags enable your document to pull in specific information from Clio automatically. Whenever you reach a point in your document where you want to insert client or case data, you'll need to use a Clio merge tag. The format for these tags is very specific. You'll need to use the exact bracket layout, double angle brackets, followed by the category and field name, and then close with double angle brackets. For example, if you want to pull in a matter number, you would type it as double angle bracket, matter.number, double angle bracket. Similarly, to include a client's name, you would use double angle bracket, client.name, double angle bracket. This setup ensures that the information is pulled accurately from your Clio database. Once you've finished drafting your document and have inserted all necessary tags, save your file to your local computer. Make sure to save it as a standard Word file with a docx extension. This format is crucial as it ensures compatibility with Clio's template system. Next, you'll need to log into your Clio Manage dashboard. If you haven't done this before, make sure you have your login credentials handy. Once you're in, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Settings. This is where you'll configure your document templates. From the Settings menu, select Documents and then navigate to the Document Templates tab at the top. This section is specifically designed for managing and adding new templates. Now, locate the green Add button in the top right corner of the screen and click on it. This will prompt you to add a new document template. Click on Choose File, navigate through your computer's directories to find the docx document you just saved, and click Open. This action uploads your Word document into Clio. Finally, make sure everything looks good and click Save. Your document template is now set up in Clio. The merge tags you included will automatically pull in the relevant client or case information whenever you use this template, making your documentation process both efficient and accurate. And that's it. You've successfully created a dynamic document template in Clio. With this setup, you'll be able to generate documents quickly, ensuring consistency and reducing the chance for errors. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it enhances your workflow within Clio. Thanks for watching and happy templating.